Hello, myself Muhammad Jilani. I am from CSC B section. My Tech Talk topic is about 4G wireless system. First of all, we have to know about the communication of wireless system. The introduction of wireless communication which helps in our life. Our ultimate goal is to communicate with any type of information with anyone at any time from anywhere. This is possible with the aid of wireless technology. Type of wireless communication. There are two types of communication. One is cellular networks and the other one is wireless local area network, which helps to the talking with each other. Cellular networks. These are the networks involved from mobile telephone as voice conservation and communication tools for private and business uses. Wireless local area network. They emerge from computer networks. There are the local area networks which emerge from the computer networks, and they helps in the business user to expand their service, which helps to expand our service areas by using LAN after data transport. Evaluation from 1G to 4G system. 1G wireless system was developed in 1980s and completed in early 1990s. 2G wireless system. The 2G phase began in 1990s and much of this technology is still 3G wireless system it was developed in the late 1990s until present by Japan is the first country having introduced 3G nationality. Let us talk about the 4G wireless system. 4G wireless system. 4G technologies are sometimes referred to by the acronymic MAGIC, which stand for mobile multimedia anytime, anywhere. These are the global mobility support integrated wireless and customized person service. These are the current technology which are running with the world, which they are TDMA, which the full form is time division multiple access, is a technical for diving the time domain up into subchannels or by multiple device. CDMA code division multi access allows every device in a cell to transmit over the entire bandwidth at all times. 4G hardware. Ultra wideband network. Ultra wideband technology or UWB is an advanced transmit technology that can be used in the implementation of 4G network. Smart antennas. Multiple smart antennas can be employed to the help of fine tune and turn up signals informations. General 4G service and 4G application. There are localized personalized information, organizational service, communication service and applications, entertainment service, mobile communications. Features and the features of 4G wireless system are supported interactive multimedia, user friendly, high speed, high capacity and low cost per bit, higher bandwidths, terminal heterogeneitical network heterogenetic. Conclusion of the 4G wireless system is a 4G will be the convergence platform providing clear advantages in terms of converged bandwidth, power, consumption, variety, service ranging from pop-up advertisements to location based service and IP data casting ones. Thank you.